हेलो फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दैट। इस वीडियो में आई बी शेयरिंग कि हम लोग कैसे अपने प्रॉम्प्ट्स को इफ़ेक्टिव बना सकते हैं ताकि हम लोग बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स ले सकें एडोबी फायरफ्लाई से। सो बेसिकली मुझे एक डॉग का इमेज चाहिए था, बट विल इट बी सो ईजी टू जस्ट गेट अ डॉग्स इमेज फ्रॉम एडोबी फायरफ्लाई? एज यू कैन सी, नो। सो आई नीड टू अपडेट माई प्रॉम्प्ट इन दिस केस। अगर मैंने जेनरिक प्रॉम्प्ट शेयर किया, सो इट्स शेयरिंग जेनरिक images with me. I have opted for content type as none. I can go for photo, but it wasn't making much of a difference. So I thought of updating it one step at a time to show you the process of how I can get amazing results from Adobe Firefly just by giving the right prompts. And here is realistic image of a dog that I have asked ChatGPT to share. So I added the word realistic in this case, but as you can see, it still looks computer generated. If you zoom into the screen, it's very artificial. As you can see, the eyes are very weird and off. And in the other images, even the leg was missing. So I need to update the prompt, and I updated it to a dog walking in the street. Instead of giving a very generic prompt to Firefly like a dog, I said that I want an image of a dog walking in the street, and let's see what Firefly has to offer. I think these are pretty improved images. First and second leg, like left side leg, they are pretty off. We have some weird eyes over the eyes. Okay, this is super weird. This looks like a wolf, but yeah, the images are improving. So let's just regenerate these images. I press the button at the bottom to generate again, and let's see what other options does it offer me. First one was weird, but this one seems fine. Like legs are pretty off in these images, otherwise it's improving with the prompt. So we need to work again on the prompt. So let's add a 10-year dog walking in the street this time. So I'm being very specific. Oh my god, this is a drastic shift. As you can see, the quality of images have improved so much just by telling them how old of a dog I want. To improve it further, let's add with bokeh in the prompt, just these two words. So bokeh is basically जो parts focus में नहीं है, they will be blurred, and you can see how much the images and their quality have improved. You know what, let's be more specific with Firefly and say I want a German Shepherd. So a 10-year-old German Shepherd dog walking in the street with 4 legs with bokeh. That's the prompt that I'm giving it. Nice. The quality of image has drastically improved. Like these look pretty clean and professional to me as of now from the previous outputs. The leg is pretty off in this one, the left leg, but other options are very good to use. Let's say a close-up shot. I'm being very quirky with Firefly right now, but let's say close-up shot of a German Shepherd dog. Since we have learned the art by now, so let's go for another prompt, and let's say close-up shot of a German Shepherd. See? By now we have learned how to give good prompts, so in the first prompt we are getting such good results. Though I'm happy with the results that I have received for my prompt, you can go ahead and explore as much as you want by keep on adding the words and being more specific about what you actually need. So maybe if you need a wide angle shot of that dog, so just add it. Close-up shot of a German Shepherd with a wide angle lens. And here we have the wide angle lens shots. All shots, this one's pretty clean and good. I like these options as well. See how closer we are getting to professional photography results by just updating the prompts that we have been giving. That's it for today, folks. I hope you must have realized how we can improve the results by improving the prompts that we are putting in. Keep on building, keep on sharing. Hasta la vista, cheero.